Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at one of the few cases that are really easily available in a lot of the big box retailers today for the Google Pixel. And this is an authentic case from Google, and this is the Google 3 XL case. Let's check it out. So guys, I've been looking at accessories and their availability in the local stores. So if you went to a Verizon store to look at the Pixel 3 XL and you picked it up, you may find yourself that there's not a lot of accessories available, at least for us to pick up in store. Lots of options online. So as I was looking at my local Best Buy, I found this case available. I said, let me pull it. Let me do an unboxing so that you can see what this case looks like, just in case you're interested. Because again, there are not a lot of options available. We're going to get a lot of things coming to the channel, and they're on their way. But if you're looking for a case and you need to have one in your hand now, you'll see this one, and you may want to know, is it the right one for me? Well, let's do the unboxing and check it out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. So taking a look at this case, the first thing I will mention about it is that it is a TPU case. It's a flexible TPU case. Here pretty rigid. On the side here, obviously because of this cutout, it's a little open. But as we compare it to this case that we got from Pixel, this one had a kind of polycarbonate back to it, right? Combined with TPU. I found that this was more protective. This one is semi-protective. I don't know if this is one that I would highly recommend, but it's definitely something that's available out there, and it's going to give you some protection. And the bottom line is that if there isn't anything available, then you're going to want to get something like this. So has kind of like a suede finish in the inside, fabric material on the back. Let's go ahead and put this on our phone and see what it looks like. All right, so this is a very minimalistic case. This is great for those of you who are looking to have a case but really don't like the bulk. This would be perfect. What I love about the material feel is the fact that it's very grippy. This is not the kind of case that's going to slide out of your hand. You'll notice that despite the fact that it's a thin case, notice how much protection you do get for the camera and the fingerprint sensor. That's pretty good. It has this material, so you can see that material right there. That's pretty nice. I'm digging it. And then you'll notice on the bottom right here, everything is nice and open and available. If we look at the screen itself, it is pretty much flush. So definitely one of those cases. Well, maybe not. I think it's just slightly above. So you can see that it has a slight lip right there that goes above. But if you put a glass screen protector, it's definitely going to be above the case itself. All in all, it feels really good in the hand. The buttons are very responsive. And let's check out the wireless charging. I'm sure, being a Google case, that this thing is going to charge. So we're going to put it in place, and it charges. So there you have it, guys. So this is the Google Pixel 3 XL case. This is a fabric version. So this is, again, you can see it says it's called the fabric case, and it's available now in local stores. So if you're looking for a case for your Pixel, this may not be a bad option for you. Let me know what you think about this case in the comment area. Smash the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Talk to you soon.